In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about Base44 and how to get started with this powerful tool in our Base44 beginner tutorial. If you're new to Base44 or to the world of no-code app building, you're in the right place. Let's explore how Base44 simplifies the complex process of creating apps without needing to write a single line of code. Base44 is an AI-powered no-code app builder. That means it harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to assist you in creating a variety of applications such as websites, dashboards, CRMs, and more. Whether you're looking to create forms, portals, or even automation tools, Base44 has you covered. Imagine being able to develop an entire application simply by using plain English prompts. Well, that's exactly what Base44 enables you to do. The beauty of Base44 lies in its automatic handling of several key aspects of app development. First, it takes care of the front-end design. This means even if you have minimal experience with design principles, Base44 ensures your app looks professional and appealing right out of the box. It doesn't stop there. The platform also manages the back-end logic. This involves all the behind-the-scenes processes that make your app function smoothly, and you won't need to worry about setting up databases either, as Base44 does this for you, ensuring your data is stored securely. User authentication is another crucial aspect of app development, particularly if your app involves sensitive information or requires secure login features. Base44 simplifies this process by implementing robust user authentication features automatically. Once your app is ready, you might be wondering how to get it out into the world. Base44 streamlines hosting and deployment, making the transition from development to live app a seamless one. According to the official Base44 documentation, the philosophy is simple. Describe what you want in natural language and let the platform build it for you. This approach transforms the app creation process, making it accessible to anyone with a vision, regardless of their technical expertise. By utilizing Base44, you're not just building an app, you're embracing a new way of thinking about development. It's a tool that empowers individuals and small teams to bring their ideas to life quickly and efficiently, without the traditional barriers of coding and technical expertise. Throughout this tutorial, we'll dive deeper into how to effectively use Base44, including tips and tricks for optimizing your workflow with this tool. So, whether you're looking to launch a new project or streamline business operations, you have a powerful ally in Base44. Stay tuned, and let's embark on this exciting journey of app development together.